Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll be looking at how you can invest 10 USDT into a crypto coin and make a huge profit. But before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So what do you need to do? All you just need to do is to make sure you have a verified Bybit account and fund it with at least not less than 10 USDT. Then you are good for this project. You're gonna come to this very place and make a choice of a coin. You make a choice of a coin you want to invest in and start your investment. You can see Hamster Compact has been down for like a while and is still and is kind of taking a very good movement this time. Okay, so all you just need to do is to look for some of those coins that are serious babies. That is a coin with a low price, a coin that are below $1. All you just need to do is simple. You just need to buy at a low rate. Okay, you will come to this place when it is low. You're going to come to this place when it's low and invest 10 USDT in it. You can see if you invest 10 USDT on it, then your quantity will be given to you. All right, if you invest 10 USDT on this hamster, your quantity will be given to you here. You will be given 19,000. You'll be given 1,988.07 with your what? With your 10 USDT. Okay. And if you leave this place for like a while, I don't mean you bought it when it was at a low rate, like when it was still having 304. You bought it at a low rate, and now that it's at 5, or now that it has gone higher to 0.00625, you cash out a lot of profit. Okay, you cash out a lot of profit. So let's quickly go back to check it out. Let's say hadn't been you bought it when it was this. Let's say it was in the next 4 hours. What about how it was in the next one day, in the last one day? Okay, 0.002. Okay, let's say you bought this when it was at 0.0022. You bought it with just simple 10 USDT. Okay, you bought it with just simple 10 USDT. Come to this place to copy your volume of Hamster. Okay, I've copied your volume of Hamster. So let's come back to this place to sell. Now let's say we're selling at 66. That was its highest in the last few hours. Paste your quantity here. What have you gone? You have gotten over times 3 of your coin. You have gotten over times 3 of your USDT. Don't forget, initially this was 10. And after the price triple, it becomes what? Roughly 30. It's very simple, right? So all you just, which is why I always advise my esteemed subscribers and viewers, and also my students, to always look for a coin with a low price and invest in. Always invest in a coin with a low price. Invest in most of those coins that are below 1 USDT. And what you will get in return? You will get a very huge profit in return. So all you just need